Good morning, everyone. It is a busy Tuesday morning. The girls are sitting at the table doing school, and I am in the process of making food for a meeting. I've got it in the oven right here. Just put it in. I was able to have some time yesterday and got the oven clean. So I'm making meal for our local business and professionals board meeting. We take turns cooking meals. This is my week, and so I'm trying to make a meal from scratch. So we've got barbecue chicken. I'm also gonna make hash brown casserole. We're also going to do salad, and then I thought for fun I would do like a banana pudding. And since I'm doing the barbecue chicken and I'm gonna barbecue it when it comes out, I also bought buns to do. So there's that, and then I just got bottled water because most of us just drink bottled water. So we've got that going on today, and yeah, it's just kind of a busy day. And they're doing their schoolwork. Rebecca is currently working on language. Sarah and Madeline are on math, and we're trying to get it, whenever we have to go out of the house for a lunch meeting, we try to just get as much done as we can before we go. And then depending on their workload, sometimes they'll work while they're at the library. Sometimes I'll just let them eat lunch and then read while I'm at the meeting because it's at a library. And that's probably what we're going to do today, as long as they get, you know, some of their work done before we go. But yeah, so that's our day today. Yeah, so we haven't done a lot of adventures just because it's just, the weather's been really yucky here. It's been a really, really rainy winter. I was hoping for snow, but actually we ended up with a lot, and I mean a lot of rain. We're hoping to get some more adventures in soon, but today it's just a school and work day, but we'll still bring you along because I mean for us every day is still an adventure. So we'll check back with you in a minute. So I usually try to set the coffee pot right at lunchtime, but since we're going to be gone for lunch, I went ahead and took care of that. We got the dishwasher emptied. It still isn't working, and we're still looking at trying to replace one, but for now we're hand washing and just letting them dry in the dishwasher, and it's working for us. But we don't have that many dishes to do today. That is so nice. So I'm fixing to take time and get this hash brown casserole done after I grade Rebecca's work. It's definitely a busy day. So let me get in here where I got a little bit better light. Trying to fix this, the appearance, just trying to get more professional, a little bit more, I don't know. So turn you around. Hi. Fuck you down. This is what I have going today. I neglected caring for myself for so long. I'm trying to just find something that works for me, and I don't know, I'm having a hard time with it. But we're gonna head out the door. We've got food ready to go, and we're gonna head to the library. I'll probably leave the camera here, but I'll see you when we get back, and hopefully we'll get to do something fun with the kids tonight. So see you when we get back. We are back home, and the girls are finishing up a little bit of school. They actually all finished their core subjects before we left. Thumbs up. And Rebecca is working on a health coloring page. Sarah is doing a health quiz. And Madeline is working on science. You already did health, right? On science. Oh, sorry, you're on science too. And then Sarah's doing a health quiz. Madeline's fixing to do a science quiz. Okay. And Matt's home, and I'm fixing to cut all Daddy's hair off. Dad's gonna be bald. Should I cut his hair off, or should I just lower his ears? Hair. Somebody's happy we're home, aren't you? Are you happy we're home? Are you happy we're home? Yeah. Because apparently gone for 4 hours is the worst thing ever.
Oh, imagine us being gone for a week. He looked miserable. Those pictures and stuff.
Yeah. All right, let's finish it up school, okay?